I put an audio spectrum analyzer into Nova AI. The idea is that the data gets sent to the AI. So otherwise, why would you bother? You can just make an app, which is an AI, but it can do the analysis. So I'm going to kick it up first with voice recognition. Show the spectrum analyzer. And that should give me a link to it. It unfortunately doesn't come up in the screen. But you'll see it's an advantage because it's quite an amazing spectrum analyzer.
Sound analyzer started. Open spectrum panel. Sound panel. Link. Average frames 8.
And it's a Star Trek LCOS, I think you pronounce it. It's not Lycos, it's LCOS styling. And there's the spectrum. And as I'm speaking, it's changing. Its scale is in its power spectral density dB, and it's per 1 hertz, per hertz, yes, dB or hertz. Frequency in hertz along here. Perhaps that can be a bit better for you guys to see, but that's 1 kilohertz here. I'll get an app off the phone now, and I'll just play. What shall I play? That's close to. That's spot on 1 kilohertz. Let's select that. Oops. Oh, it's on average. There we go. Now I'll put it back on average just to get a good signal. And I'll have to shut up because as I speak, it's obviously coming up on the spectrum. And over here, it's captured it. Well, it's captured the image. It's not actually looking at the image, it's looking at the data, but it could do if we fed it back in again. But
Spectrum snapshot peak, 1001 Hz at minus 71.5 dBWHZ overall level, minus 101.3 dBWHZ noise floor, tilde 109.6 dBWHZ character, low frequency heavy averaging, 8/8 frames octave band levels.
And I used the recursive mean to do the averaging. The AI was going to use a different method, but I'm quite used to recursive mean. It's good enough for what we do, and it gives you quite a good answer. Apparently it's got a different name. I always call it the recursive mean, where you take each FFT and the new one is the old one plus correction, and it converges to a very smooth result. So there we go. So I can go back again and start it up. Well, it's already started, and get rid of the average, and it's responding to my voice as it should. Let's just check it with another frequency. So I'll just sweep it. Let's put it up to 3.736, that should be. Let's see if it gets that. So that should be 3.7 odd hertz, depending on the resolution, of course. Let's average it. I have to be quiet now, otherwise it'll pick up my voice. It's sent there. Look at the spectrum. I noticed some look like harmonics or something. Oh, here it is. .73. Yeah, that's spot on. 3.73. I'm using an app here, so I know what the frequency is. Although it didn't seem to pick up those harmonics. Oh, sorry, turn that off. There we go. Spectrum Analyzer tool. So it runs with the other tool. I turned the text off so it's not speaking the result. So there it is so far anyway. I can't save that image. I just have to At least I don't think I can. I just have to do a screen capture, otherwise it would appear here under plots if it does. No, it doesn't appear. I didn't think it would. Or is it web images? Oh yes, it does. How about that? So it's there, the two different images. Thank you.